ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be another exciting one. So today we are on our way to get the car tuned. In the last video we just installed the 3-inch intakes, and now we're on our way. We're driving about 2 hours to go get a custom tune on the GTR. So we're going to be putting down a lot of power. We're going to go on a dyno, and we're just going to put as much juice to the wheels as we can. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be awesome, and let's get this video started. What? I'm assuming
What's that?
is this guy over here?
Arrived.
Ooh, a nice little Lambo.
Yeah.
We're definitely at the right place.
Well, I'm just gonna fucking get right here and get out. Car's like slowly moonwalking to the left. Did you see that? I was recommended to you by like quite a few people actually.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. In fact, one of the guys, what was the guy that was telling you?
Rob?
Yeah, with the S2000.
Yeah.
He actually like wrote me a long paragraph about why I should use you. If someone's willing to write a long ass paragraph, it's probably for a good reason. So here we are at Bains Tuning. We got the GTR up on the dyno. We're about to get started. We're gonna do a custom, I don't know, stage 2 tune. Maybe you don't even say a stage when it's custom, but we're about to get a custom tune going on the car. Super excited, I can't wait. I never actually thought that I'd be doing that with this car. I really just wanted to do some exhaust and some intake, but after learning that if you get intakes that are 3 inches, you gotta do a tune on it. We're here at the next step, getting the tune. Super excited, can't wait for you guys to see how this goes. I'm excited. This is gonna be so sick.
So, there's 3 map slots, like I said. The map slot 0 is 512, 516 port.
Where does it show where I'm at?
512 and 516. And then your map slot 1 is like 13 pounds of boost. The high boost is 16, 17 pounds. The low boost is 13 pounds, and that one makes 480 with 470 torque. And then I gave you one kind of a valet mode, just runs like 8 pounds of boost.
Okay.
And that one's 419, 396.
Nice.
So this is all at the wheel.
All right, we got some goods coming your way.
So the way to change, what do you fucking custom view? All right. So the way to change maps is you hold the cancel button down, and you'll see your boost gauge. You can change it.
What?
Right?
That's so sick.
So
Okay, hold on.
this is
Do that again.
you can basically change it into slots.
That's so
Right?
cool.
Go for it.
Faster?
Oh, that was good. Which way?
Left. You make a left and then gun it again.
Okay. Let's see how it
Go
wants
for it. Quick little pull right here if you want. Not bad for a few mods and just a tune, right?
Yeah. That shit wanted to